Hey yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video on my channel, Jatoob. And today I'm going to show you guys how you can get better FPS on Roblox. So if you see up here, if you press shift and F5, you can actually see that everyone's Roblox is capped at 60 frames per second. So if you want to get better FPS, we would need the FPS unlocker. So we can just type in RBX FPS unlocker and you would see this GitHub link. Click that and I will leave this in the description below so you guys can download it and download the zip, which I already have. So if we go over here, we can find the zip. Now just right click on that and press extract, and then a folder will show up and show you the FPS unlocker, and click that folder and double click the FPS unlocker and it should do its work. And now you have better FPS. As you can see, I'm getting around 170 to 200 FPS, and this can actually help a lot, not only for people who have like a really good PC and they have like a 120 to 240 hertz monitor, and you wanna like increase your FPS on Roblox, but then you can't. Now you can use it with FPS unlocker, and this is how I found out, because I actually have a 144 hertz monitor, and then I noticed that Roblox was capped at 60, so I just used FPS unlocker and it really works. But I can't really show you guys in the recording because my recording is capped at 60 frames per second and I don't know how to increase that. So now I'm gonna do a comparison so you guys can see the difference between 30 FPS and 60 FPS. I mean, like, for the video, but for me it's 120. Okay, so let's go now.
3, 2, 1, go!
So thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys did enjoy the video, please hit that big red subscribe button down below. And please hit the like if you found this helpful. And please leave a suggestion for my next video down in the comments so I can make my next videos better. Don't forget that I will put the link of RBX Unlocker in the description below. So once again, thank you guys for watching my video. Peace out. Goodbye.